Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your mobile phone as a mic for your PC. Let's get started. But before that, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for our future videos. Now let's back to the video. Open any sort of browser on your system. For example, I will use Google Chrome. In here, type Woo W-O mic client and search it up. In the top, you will see mic Woo free microphone. Click on this, and here you will see at the left side download option. Click on download. Now in here, go down here. For the PC, you can install VC runtime on your PC, and this file will be pop up and install it on your system. After the installation, you can see here two options: Android phone and iPhone. And for Android, from Google Play Store, and if you are using iPhone, you can install it from the App Store. Let me go to the mobile screen. I'm using iPhone, so I will use App Store. So I'm going to App Store. Now in the search bar, you can type Woo and then mic. Once you search it up, at the top you will see mic, Woo mic. Click on this and install it. I already installed it. Now run this app on your system. Open this and also open it on your mobile phone. Now in here you will see connection. Click on connection, then click on connect. There are four types of connection. First one is Bluetooth, second one is USB, the third one is Wi-Fi, and fourth one is Wi-Fi direct. You can use whatever you want, but I'm using Wi-Fi. You need to connect to the same Wi-Fi connection, for example your mobile phone and your PC. Now in here you will see here on the mobile screen start. Click on start. In here you will see started Wi-Fi, and this is the link. So you need to type that link like phone IP address. So I already typed that, and then click on connect. Now in here you will see option. In this option you need to enable to test out your microphone is working on your PC, and mine is already fine on my PC. And you can use it through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi direct, but I'm using it on Wi-Fi. Go there, check out, and if you have any question, comment down below. I will reply every single questions you ask, and for more video must subscribe. Thanks for watching.